Hey guys, I will make a short movie about the FAQ Bot Pro to show you how to install it and set up the bot. So basically you go to the discovery here on Discord, and then you search for FAQ bot like this. FAQ. This is the bot, FAQ Pro. You click on it, and all you need to do is press the add app. By pressing the add app, it will let you choose server. After choosing server, I do continue. Here it shows the permission you need, very simple permission. I'm gonna authorize it. Now after authorize, it's sending me to the server. Now when I'm in the server, I'm gonna choose any text channel, doesn't matter which one. Let me just choose. So basically, here I see a text channel. I just gonna go into a text, and I gonna run slash, and first command it's create FAQ system. Okay, by pressing that, it's asking you if you want to give it a name or rule. If you give a name, you can give it your own name. I'm not going to give a name right now. I'm just going to press enter. Okay, when it's finished, I'm going to scroll down. And basically what the bot did, it create me category that call FAQ. And here is the 3 channels. Now you can change the name to whatever you want after installing. So right now I have this channel. This one is answer a question. Basically here you can post question in any channel you want. And this is the main page. So basically the user seeing only the FAQ. This is only for admin. Let me show you user view. This is user, so now user going down is seeing only this screen, only the ask question. And admin seeing ask, manage question, it's where you reply the question when the question coming, and admin FAQ, this is to make your own FAQ and choose a channel to post them. Let me show you how it works. So let's go back to the user. So now the user is coming to this channel, and he pressing ask. So now it's pressing ask, and basically here you're gonna paste the question. So that's my question, whatever. That's just testing. So, and basically if you submit now, it will send the question to the admin, and you have the option, if you want to stay anonymic, you press yes. If you press here yes, you're going to post anonymic. If you're not doing nothing by default, it will be normal. So I submit the question. After submit the question, it says question submit success. Now let's go back to the admin side. On the admin side, you're getting this window with the question. So you have option to delete, reject, assign other admin, or just answer. You click answer. So basically this is the question. Here you're going to post your answer, and by default, if you submit it, it will post the embed in the FAQ page, and it's also send DM to the asker. Now you have an option. If you press number 1, it will only post it on the server. If you press number 2, it's not going to post in the server, it's only DM. By default, it will post and DM. Let's go. I press the submit. After pressing the submit, I go back to the FAQ page, and here you see the question. It's asked by, answer by. That's the question, that's the FAQ number. And people can like that. So let's give it a like. Okay. And that's it. And this is always stay on the bottom. Now, after submit, let's go back to the user. And as you can see, the user got DM. In the DM, he received his answer. and you can also see the answer on the server. On the server, it's right here. Ask. That's it. That part is finished. Let's go back to the main server. So basically this is how it's work. People coming to this page, they pressing ask, submitting, you get it here. When you get it here, you just answer and return. Now you can always come back and edit, and you can change whatever you want. So you can edit the question later. So I just added that. Let's go to the page. As you can see, it's changed. So this is one part, basically. So this FAQ page, it's managed FAQ. This is an FAQ that you're creating for the community, that the community asking and you answer, and it's posted, and people also, people see it, vote for it. Now the second way of it is this, it's admin FAQ. Basically here you make your own FAQ. It's like you press the add QA, whatever, and here you choosing the channel where you want to post it. So in my case, I'm gonna post it in this channel. So now I'm gonna put question, I'm gonna put answer, and I'm gonna submit it. Now let's go to the band. You see this is the channel I choose. Now this channel getting the question and answer, people can ask, people can vote, and that's the good thing, is that this is, you can create as many as you want in different category, answer question by you. And again, this one is answer question for the community. Now let me go to the other server, to the main server, and I'm going to show you how it's look when you see here there is like many posts. You see this is the people like it. This is how it's look. It's very clean, very nice. And again, here you see, as you can see, I can edit everything. I can do whatever I want. So that's very simple. Let's go back here and let's do a few things. So first time you install the server, I highly recommend, let's do another ask, I show you. So you do ask, whatever, let's do just like this. I'm doing ask, and then I'm going to, so when you're asking, as you can see, you're getting this success message by default. Let me show you how you can change it to do whatever you want. So basically you you just do this command, and then you paste whatever you want. Let me paste this. Whatever, success is changed. Let's close it. Now let's ask question again. Let's close this and ask question again. Submit the question. And now when your question submit, you got this message that, so you can change it to whatever you think right for you. Now the guy here, answer. I'm gonna answer here, submit. And here we go. The answer is right here. So that's one part. There is many different commands that you're gonna have a file with everything, but let me just show you another example. Let's say you run this command, you press enter. That will show you the FAQ statistic. And now, now let's say that we want to create a second FAQ. Again, you're running this command, the create FAQ system. And then this time I'm going to give it name. I'm going to call it 1, 2, 3, enter. Boom, created. As you can see, now I'm going down. It's FAQ 1, 2, 3. You can change the name. You can do whatever you want. Same thing. There is also other command if you want, which is this one. when you press this command, it will delete all the channel that this bot create. So it's going to delete all of the everything basically. Let's do that. Let's press enter. As you can see, everything deleted. It's not here anymore. So this is what you need. This is how you should start the bot getting all the necessary permission right away. Very easy, very simple. Now let's send another message as a user. So you coming here, you ask a question, you do whatever you want, and here this time I'm going to press yes, and we're going to send the message. It will be post anonymous. So I submit the message. Now when I'm going here, when I'm going to manage it, so I'm seeing the answer, and it's telling me that it's anonymic, and you know, and only you, the admin, can see it. I gonna answer the question. Let's say whatever. Now when I answer the question, it will posted. Let me go back to the user. So when you go back to the user, you see the question, and you see how it show asked by anonymous. So basically nobody know who is the guy that asked the question. And I think pretty much that's it for now. Again, that's you can always go and you can edit each channel on your side. And another nice thing, if you see this question and you're not sure, you can just click jump to the answer, and boom, it will take you directly to the end to see the question. Okay, one more thing I want to show you before I answer. When you go to the admin FAQ, I show you that when you click the green question answer, it's let you choose the channel where you want it to be post. But you can also have the quick add, which the difference between quick add, you posting with the channel ID. So let me first, before I start, I gonna copy channel ID, and now I'm gonna add the same thing, answer question answer, but I put the channel user ID and submit. Then I'm going to where is the text, and here we go. It's just submitted. Let me give it a like. You see, when you give it a like, it's the thumbs up. It's make the embed a little smaller. Very nice, very quick, cute. I think I think that's it for now. I will post link for the support server, which is this one, for that you can chat, you can open ticket, you can get any support you need if you're not sure how to do it. So I'll post link for the support server, and I post direct link to download the app. I hope you like it. If you can, like and subscribe, and thank you. I hope you enjoy it. Have a good one.